Hi, this is ICC Bite Size, where we bring you small, tiny videos to help you get to the Congress. My name's Gabrielle, and I'll be your host today, and I'm here with my good pal, Alexia. Alexia, what are we chatting about today?
Hello, Gabs. Today we're going to look step by step how you can register for the International Camping Congress in Spain.
I love it, and
Ready? Let's
I
go.
yes, love even more is visuals. So we have some visuals here. Why don't you tell me a little bit about what we're looking at?
Okay, so you can see on the top of the page is the website of the Congress. You can look around, but go fast to the button that says registration. There
Love,
you can see the various choices you have. If you can go to the next slide, I can
yep.
show you that you can choose the first one is the Congress fee. The second is the booking of the hotel rooms. The
Mm.
third is the workshop with Jim Kane. And then you have, if you want to order t-shirts and ICF flags.
So we're,
Today we will discuss Yes, today we will
we're
discuss only about the first one, how
okay.
to apply for the Congress.
So we're clicking on that very first image with the building on it.
hmm
Okay, perfect.
That is the conference center.
Okay.
So here is a table with the various choices you have for the Congress. What we are interested in is the first line. So you will register as an ICF member for the full Congress. If you're not an ICF member, you select the second line. But it
Mm.
pays to be an ICF member first. We'll talk about this later. As you can see, the super early bird registration deadline is December 31, and the early bird registration is April 30. The prices are depending on what date you make the registration. If you want to register a family member, you can see the prices here, as well as the gala dinner tickets, where you will need one per person.
Okay.
Thank you, Gabs.
So we register full Congress. If you're not an ICF member, we're going to figure that out in a minute. It's best to be one financially and just be a member. You can also register family members and then also gala dinners. Okay, this is awesome. So next slide.
So next slide, the first you select if you will register as a full delegate or as a young leader in case we were born after 1994. Then the Congress fee, full Congress is what we are interested in here. The day fee is for Spanish local camp owners that maybe cannot come for the full Congress and will only come for one day. Anyone who is coming overseas or from abroad, Spain, will select the full Congress. So the third question is, are you an ICF member? I have pre-selected, I have a current ICF membership. In case you do not have, select one of the other choices if you want to get an individual membership or a camp membership, because it pays off in the total price of the Congress to actually be an ICF member.
Mm. And if I get a
Okay, so
camp
far?
mem yes, well, if I get a camp membership, does that mean all of my teammates that are coming with me also fall underneath membership of ICF?
If you get a camp membership, you have up to 5 people that
Okay.
can register like that.
That's okay. That's great. So next slide.
Next slide. You input your personal details, and here just take care, especially if you are using the camp membership, to add the name of the camp exactly there. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, that's a very
Next
important
slide.
part because on here it's a little bit hard sometimes to see where do I put our camp organization's name, and we want to make sure that everybody else that's registered that the name is right, written exactly the same way. All right, next
Next
slide.
step is, as you can see, not all the boxes are, what is the word in English? Um, oh, they don't have the asterisk. So they're not,
Mm,
they're, what's the word? Gabs, help.
the
Um,
well, the
they're not
you don't
obligatory
have
to you don't have to fill in everything. So
right.
if you're registering, you don't remember your passport number or the emergency contact information person, you don't have them yet, it's okay. You can give this information later. What we do need for you to select now is if any family members are coming with you to the Congress, you select one ticket per person
Okay.
um, over there. And if they come, then they can attend the plenary events, the excursion that will happen on the 6th of October, and any evening social events we have. You can put their name there in the
Okay.
purple box. And if you are buying for more than one person, you can press the add another, and then you get another box to put the name of the second person who is coming.
Well thought
Um,
out.
Adding to that, you select your gala dinner tickets, one per person, one for you and one for every other person that's coming with you.
Okay, perfect. So if you and myself and another person was coming, we'd make sure that there's three gala tickets that were selected.
Exactly.
Perfect.
Yes.
I love it. I love a good ICC gala as well. Okay, here we are again. Seems kind of similar.
It's kind of similar, but further below is that you have the choice to make a donation to the ICF Butterfly Fund. This is a
Mm,
fund that collects monies to help ICF do what it does in any way. So, is it to pay for, let's say, another ICF Camp Pro, let's say, to attend a congress
yeah.
or an ICDC training? Anything related to ICF goes there. And then, of course, select yes, where it says permit the use of conference images in publications, because you cannot move forward if you don't select that.
We need the pictures.
We need them.
All right, so we're almost
Next
done.
step.
What's this little step? Yeah.
So payment is done through an agent. This is pre-selected no, and then straight away you press add to cart. Right
Okay.
below there, you have the cancellation policy, just in case you need to know it, but I'm confident that you are all coming to the Congress.
Yes, I'll be there for sure.
I think next step.
Okay.
Okay. So this is your cart. We cannot see the whole thing.
Mm,
You check if everything you selected is in the cart, and you ignore the apply coupon, and you press proceed to checkout.
perfect. So we just click checkout.
Checkout.
There we go.
And in the checkout, you have two ways of paying. One is with credit card, Stripe, and the second one is with PayPal that I have pre-selected here. Any of the
Nice.
two should be working in every country, or at least one of the two.
Yeah, and just to be clear, this the we're paying in what currency are we paying in?
Euros.
Euros. So we're
In
paying in
euros.
euros, and I think it's best for people to just go on Google to look at what that means within your currency. But what we're looking at here is euros. Okay, wonderful. And then, so I might have questions, Alexia. I mean, this is well detailed. Thank you very much. It seems actually quite simple. I think what's wonderful is that you can bring your family members if you want. You can bring your staff members. I know some camps are encouraging staff members to also participate. But if I have questions and I feel stuck, what's the best way to get in touch with somebody that can help me?
So you can send an email to this email that you can see here on the screen, the info at icc2023spain.org. We're pretty fast in replying. It's
Mm-hmm.
just that sometimes the time difference can make a change. But apart from that, I would like to tell you that as soon as you complete your registration and the payment, you should get an email from this email that you see on
Okay.
the screen. So please look at your spam folder, and if possible, add this email to the list of approved emails. So you always
That's
get the information from us.
Thank you so much. And for everybody that is, thinking of coming, please contact us or follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, International Camping Fellowship. This is Gabrielle and Alexia for ICC Bite Size. Can't wait to see you in Spain.
See you in Spain.